At the beginning of February in 2022, I left Stutterheim and travelled east to the beautiful Eastern Cape areas around Elliot, Yugi and Maclear. I'd booked into the Tortoni guest farm, which has a caravan park down at the bottom of the valley next to a small lake. I liked this place immediately. It has a wonderful, relaxing atmosphere and scenery which is absolutely beautiful, especially in the evening after a rain shower has passed through. The clouds add a magnificence to an already impressive scene. This is a working farm growing maize and soya. Maize is known as corn in America, and in South Africa it's known as mealies and is one of the staple foods in Africa. Tortoni's caravan park is basic but has everything you need. The road down to the park is a dirt road and it's in fair condition, but I had to take it easy over the humps in the road, which are placed at regular intervals to divert water off the road in heavy rains. The shops are 6 kilometers away in the town of Maclear. There's a spa which I found to be very good, and although this is a very small town, there are hardware stores and you can get most of what you need. A feature of the caravan park is the water heating system, known locally as a donkey. There's no gas or electric heater in the ablution block to heat water. If you want to have a shower, you have to make a fire under a tank of water. Wood is supplied and there's a little bucket containing some paraffin to dip the wood into to get the fire going. This brings one back into the days of old, 100 years ago when there was no electricity, and provides a quaint variation to one's camping. I must say that I was very happy to have a shower and hot water inside my caravan to take a quick shower without having to make an hour-long event out of shower time. The ablution facilities have been modernized and are in very nice condition, while retaining an old-fashioned feel with their stone walls. There are 2 bathrooms, which is enough as the caravan park only has place for 6 or 7 caravans. I was alone and had the whole caravan park to myself for half of my month-and-a-half stay. The rest of the time other campers would arrive, mostly with pop-up or rooftop campers, just stopping for the night on their way to somewhere else. There's an occasional cell phone signal in the caravan park if you stand in the right place at the right time. You can go up to the office and the signal is better there. Internet reception was sometimes very good and I could stream movies on occasion, which surprised me as Tortoni is in the middle of the countryside and the cell phone reception is so bad. But just when I thought that I had it all, I'd lose internet reception completely for half a day. But that's okay, I'd just go off and do something else. Being close to the lake, bird, insect and flower life is very busy. The evenings light up with the song of the frogs, and daylight reveals all sorts of ducks and geese and other bird life on the water. A family of African crowned storks used to wake me up in the morning as one hogged across the reeds to the other to check and be sure that the other one was still there. There are fish in the lake, lots of bass I believe, and they can be caught on a catch and release basis, but I couldn't find any place to get close to the water, and so I didn't do any fishing. I must add that I didn't really try to get close to the lake. This is a summer rainfall region, and the 10-year drought broke this summer with a vengeance. There was a lot of rain. I was at the bottom of a slope, and so I was very happy to find that the water drained away very quickly without waterlogging my tent and forming a mud pool. There's a beautiful dirt road which runs right through the farm for many kilometers and gave me a lot of pleasure on my bike and is also great for a long walk. I went on one splendid bike ride out to the mountains and along the mountain roads for about 20 kilometers. I thought I'd find a path back to the main tar road, but with no luck. Eventually I heard a baboon bark and I looked up and saw a huge male baboon sitting on a big rock up the hill above where I was about to pass. So I did a sharp about turn and headed back. The ride took about 3 hours and was by far the longest bike ride that I've been on an up and down dirt road in my older age. I didn't experience any sustained strong winds in the caravan park, but I was told that they come in from the west when they do blow, so be aware of that. I loved my stay at Tortoni. The owners are very nice people, and the rate that I paid was 1,600 Rand per month, which included water and electricity, so very affordable. The daily rate is between 200 and 300 Rand per site. I give Tortoni a rating of 7.5 out of 10. If you've stayed here, give me your rating, and we'll be able to get a good average rating once we have 10 or 12 ratings in. If you like these videos and would like to see more of them, please consider becoming a channel patron with a small donation for every video that I release. Just click on the patron link in the comments section below the video.